Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial I'm going to show you guys how to hopefully resolve your system restore error you're getting on your computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward tutorial, and without further ado, let's jump right into it. So we're going to start by opening up the start menu just by left clicking on the start button one time, and you want to type in services. Best match should come back with services right above desktop app. Just want to left click on that one time. Might have to give it a moment to load the services window here, so just please be patient. Okay, now that services are open here, you want to scroll down until you get to a volume shadow copy right here, and you want to double click on it. You want to set startup type to automatic, so left click inside the drop down here, left click on automatic, left click on start, and then left click on apply and OK. Once you've done that, now you want to go to the Microsoft Software Shadow Copy Provider. So I'm going to scroll up now right here, so Microsoft Software Shadow Copy Provider, double click on that, startup type, set that to automatic as well, and then left click on start underneath service status. And once you're done with that, left click on apply and OK. And hopefully that should have resolved the problem. So I'm going to close out of there. And again, thank you guys for watching. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.